This is a face shield, and you should have a face shield in your first aid kit. Why you would be using a face shield? Because it protects you from any bodily fluid from the casualty when you're giving rescue breaths during CPR. How are you going to use it? You put that white part onto the casualty's mouth while you're breathing through to give rescue breaths. So you put this on the casualty's mouth, and then you make a seal to make sure that no air is going through. And you do something what we call the hot head tilt chin lift to opening up the airway. So you have your hand on the forehead and 2 fingers on the chin, and then you're opening up the airway. And when you're giving rescue breaths, you pinch the casualty's nose and you give 2 rescue breaths. And you're blowing through that white part. After giving the rescue breaths, you would continue giving 30 chest compressions. And when you're giving the rescue breaths, you also need to make sure that you see the casualty's chest rising as well. And that's how you're going to use a face shield.